Hello, my name is Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at the 2019 310 SLX Sea Ray. Starting at the stern, we have the optional white 350 joystick controlled motors. The optional teak package throughout the boat. You see the stern seat has two pop-up seats that flop up and lay down for your nice sun pad. You have great storage underneath. You also have a stereo remote control here, built in to change the volume and song when you're sitting aft. Moving forward, you have your battery switches located right here on the starboard side, which are easy to access when you're coming on board. Freshwater pull-out sprayer here. Moving into the cockpit, you'll notice the great wraparound seating, the optional grill, and the refrigerator built in. If you want shade in the back, we have the optional Sure Shade, which you press a button and shade the entire swim platform on the back. Moving forward to the helm, you have two nice 10-inch Simrad screens, joystick control with skyhook, the waterproof Fusion stereo, and waterproof touch panel here. Trim tabs located right in front of the controls, Simrad VHF radio, a really nice double helm seat with flip-up fire rise, as well as the same double helm seat on the opposite side with the flip-up fire rise. The head compartment, you see you have a vacuum flush head, teak steps going down with ample storage. Here you have a little glove box that drains. And note the full stainless steel windshield as well. Do have a close-off door here. Moving forward, we can shut the windshield and block the wind completely. Control panel, an inverter system for your grill located right here. Moving forward, you have ample seating in the front area. It's one of my favorite spots of the boat. Lots of good storage, flip-down armrests. You have storage here that's all carpeted. With the ease, you flip this seat up and you've got great storage built in underneath. This boat is equipped with a windlass and a freshwater sprayer forward. It also has the cockpit cover and tonneau cover as an option on the boat. If you'd like to see this boat in person, you can reach me at 910-200-9636. Again, my name was Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach.